Hello, YouTube. Once again. Okay, well, I was just messing around with Audacity, whatever. But, okay. I was just trying to remove the instruments from this song. Sorry if you heard a coughing sound in my background. But, okay, I was trying to remove the, the instruments. But, okay. At the end, it was just like, or something like that. I'll show you at the end of the video what the beginning was like. Okay, at around like 2:27-ish seconds, this is what I got. Okay, that's just a normal song. But now if I go to the other one, right here, listen for the difference. See, it's the same song now. Yeah, you heard it. It was weird. And also, this is what I got at the beginning. I'm not going to show you the all 15 seconds, but it's just weird. Whatever that is. I guess I did show you all of the 30 seconds. More 15 seconds than 30, but you get the point. But isn't that like weird? Like all I was doing is removed the instruments, which I did right here, but I removed all like vocals and all. Not the whole thing, of course, or it wouldn't have this. Oh, 1 second, just one last time. It actually sounds like an alien sound for a Hollywood movie. That's all, YouTube. Bye.